If you've ever thought about starting your own recruiting business while still maintaining your 9-to-5 job, or for those of you that currently own a recruiting company and you're looking for ways to scale internally, to get more recruiting clients, and to get more candidates at scale, I really do believe you're going to find a ton of value in my free training by clicking below. But don't just take it from me. Here's Ron Carter, an existing Recruitemy member who owns his own staffing company, came to me a few months ago looking for ways to scale out his marketing efforts and to get more recruiting clients. And within 45 days, by applying our systems and processes, Ron was able to acquire a new rec of over $50,000. And here's Constance. Constance is in the dental niche for staffing. And she was an agency recruiter, pretty much sick and tired of the corporate America 9-to-5 grind, not making enough money as a top producer in her company, answering to a boss, having limited PTO days, and all the minutia that goes along with the corporate America environment. Constance would come home at 5 o'clock, dive into her own business and moonlight. And as you can see here, with under 60 days, Constance secured a contract over $400,000. And there's no reason you can't do the same thing that Constance did by applying yourself with our systems and processes. So I'm going to show you exactly how our octopus outreach strategy works to get more recruiting clients and to improve your brand. And I'm going to dive into our Liga strategy where you can source A-player candidates, passive candidates, that you can start cultivating relationships and placing with your clients. Go ahead and click below to access our free training.